Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Hey Astro. I will share all the information from the history of the universe to the future advancements in space technologies here. If you are an astrophile or you have thirst for knowledge, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Some of you might be wondering what is astrophile, right? Well, a person who loves Harry Potter movies or books is called Potterhead. A person who loves clouds is called Astrophile. Similarly, a person who loves astronomy is called Astrophile. Now, what is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of celestial objects and the universe, which is one of the oldest sciences. Though the complete understanding of it may not be within the reach of Homo sapiens, but good progress has been made. As we start this journey, astronomy remains as fascinating as ever. Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state and nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait! You're wondering that I have heard this, right? Well, you're not wrong. I just sang the lines from the intro of famous and my favorite TV series, The Big Bang Theory. Well, that's a fact. Although in the beginning, nearly 14 billion years ago, all the matter and energy in today's observable universe was easily contained in the volume less than 1 trillionth the size of the cross-section of your head. The temperature was so high that the basic forces of nature, that are gravitation force, electromagnetic force, strong and weak nuclear forces, were all unified. Though it is still unknown that how it came into existence, the only dependable answer in this is the expansion of the cosmos, a very rapid expansion which we call the Big Bang. Einstein's general theory of relativity put forth in 1916, which gave us our modern understanding of gravity, that the presence of matter and energy curves the very fabric of space and time surrounding it. Just 4 years after Einstein's theory of relativity, which is one of the biggest discoveries in classical physics, in 1920s the foundation of quantum mechanics was laid. Building on de Broglie's approach, modern quantum mechanics was born in 1925 when the German physicists Werner Heisenberg, Max Born, and Pascal Jordan developed matrix mechanics, and Austrian physicist Erwin Schrödinger invented wave mechanics and non-relativistic Schrödinger equation. Until Sir Isaac Newton formulated the universal law of gravitation, nobody has any reason to presume that the laws of physics on Earth were the same as everywhere as in the entire observable universe. Newton had figured out that the force of gravity pulling ripe apples from their orchards also guides tossed objects along their curved trajectories and directs the moon in its orbit around Earth. This gravity is the force that guides planets, asteroids, and comets in their orbits around the Sun and keeps billions and billions of stars in orbit within our Milky Way galaxy. Let's meet in the next video to discuss our solar system. I am planning to give one word in each of my videos, one new word from every video, which will help you build your own astronomy dictionary. And now, it's time for astronomy word of the day. Accretion. In astrophysics, accretion is the accumulation of particles into a massive object by gravitationally attracting more matter, typically gaseous matter, in an accretion disk. Most astronomical objects, such as galaxies, stars, and planets, are formed by accretion processes. I heard another word there. Was it accretion disk? Yes, accretion disk is a disk-like flow of gas, plasma, dust, or particles around any astronomical object in which the material orbiting in the gravitational field of the object loses energy and angular momentum as it slowly spirals inwards. Saturn rings are an excellent example of an accretion disk. Thank you for watching. Share this knowledge as much as possible and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Have a good day.